Hello, Deer Lake. It's Friday, our fun Friday. As promised, I have some gardening to do. And then we are going to do a couple of catch-ups because our tree inside is getting full. So we are going to show you some stuff that people have sent in to get stuck in a tree. First, we're going to plant some seeds. So what we've done is we've got some pots. We've got 3 pots. Make sure there's holes at the bottom so the water can come through. Otherwise it gets all flooded and the seeds have nowhere to grab onto. They can't grab onto the dirt itself. So what we did was we found some pots, and what Ava has done is she has sprinkled the seeds.
These are the seeds. Like
those are the seeds of those.
Teeny tiny seeds.
Tiny seeds. And then what we're going to do is on top of the seeds, what are you going to do, Ava? Take some dirt.
Where's this?
Dirt here. Just use your hands.
Hi.
And she's going to put it on top of the seeds so that it keeps the seeds from blowing away in the wind, and it keeps them from being picked at by birds. They love seeds. I am putting our package in a Ziploc bags to keep it dry, and I'm going to put it in here so we know when seeds start coming up what we planted. We are going to do this as well. Ava has put some seeds on top of here.
Where are they? Oh, they're right there.
They're tiny seeds. So she's put some seeds, and then she's going to cover it with dirt. And I have, again, put it in a Ziploc bag so we know what kind. Maxwell sent in some great pictures of his house. He doesn't have daffodils, but he does have some beautiful flowers in his garden that he's been bringing inside to lighten up the house. What a great idea. I love that idea. Now this one is my favorite. You guys know I love cucumbers. We're going to plant our own. So Ava, I'm going to give you, we're going to show them what the seeds look like.
They're pretty big.
They're pretty big.
Like
so what do we do with them? Can you show them how to plant them?
So we put them far, like not too far, but far apart, so then they can grow. And we're gonna put 5.
Okay.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and
Here?
this one
Yeah.
could be here.
And then what do?
And then you can grab your finger and push it as far as you can into the soil. Super far in.
And then?
And then you could squeeze it in like that.
And then we're going to put this in here. So I'm going to put these on my bench. And what we're going to do is, as time goes on, I'm going to show you. Now, I'm going to ask you, and I know you guys are going to be screaming at me through your TVs. What do plants need to grow? I think I can hear Jeremy screaming at me saying, water! They need water! And I can hear sunlight. They need sun and water to grow. So next week, if it gets really hot, which I think it might, we will come and we will water these together to make sure that they have the light they need and the water they need to grow. And we'll keep an eye on them and see how it goes. So now I'm going to head inside because it's a little chilly. Good thing I have my jacket, same as Amelia's, but lighter. We're going to head inside and I'm going to show you the Deer Lake tree that has been expanding with new ideas. And then we're going to do a great story, and that's it. We are now inside at our Deer Lake forest. And as you can see, we have a few new items on our tree. So I want to show you, have you ever seen a fire truck stuck in a tree? Well, you have now. And have you ever seen Piggy and Pigeon stuck in a tree? Thank you, Maxwell. Ava, what do you think about Maxwell's?
They're amazing.
Amazing, because Ava did the same. Ava did a pigeon and added it. She wanted to show you guys. And then Maxwell had sent in his pigeon.
That's really good.
Really good stuff. We also have some butterflies stuck in a tree. Aaliyah and Layla have done these at home, and they sent them in to me. So I cut them out and I put them in our tree. So now look at all of the stuff we have stuck in a tree. I'm wondering if we could have Iron Man stuck in a tree. I don't know, Theo, do you think you can draw me an Iron Man? And I wonder if you could draw yourself stuck in a tree. Jeremy, can you draw yourself stuck in a tree? If you can draw something that you're thinking of, it could be as silly as you want it. Send it to me and I'll put it on our tree. Now, my son had an idea. Have you ever seen a mouse stuck in a tree? When you look at this, can you see a mouse? Can you see a mouse? Guess what? I see a computer mouse. My son Angelo thought he would trick you by asking if you've seen a mouse. And I see a mouse, but it's a computer mouse. Oh, Angelo. He's very funny, my son. So now continue to add your pictures and send them to us. We're so excited to have you be part of our days. We are going to end our Fun Friday with a wonderful story that you guys all know and love. And I want to hear you singing. All right. David, be ready.
When I was young, I had some fun the day I went to sea. I jumped on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea."
Come on.
This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. I sailed with you to Timbuktu the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. The west wind's force blew us off course the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. We hit a storm, our sails were torn the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. The first mate roared, "Man overboard!" the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. The storm blew out, we looked about the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. From the front deck we saw a wreck the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. Shh, we had no fear, we sailed up near the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. We found a hoard of gold on board the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. We weighed and measured all our treasure the day I went to sea. I lived on board a pirate ship and the captain said to me, "Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea." This way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. We sang this song the old day long the day I went to sea. Oh, the pirate's life is full of fun, the pirate's life for me. Oh, we go this way, that way, port side starboard over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, port side starboard, the pirate's life for me. The pirate's life for me.
We hope we hope you enjoyed Courtside Pirates. And we hope you were singing along with it and did the actions with Angelo and Ava. It is the weekend, so we wanted to sing a new song that we made up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday is the weekend. Saturday, Sunday is the weekend. Saturday, Sunday is the weekend. We don't do you too. We are going to take the weekend to think of new ideas and add some stuff. And we are going to start again on Monday with Shayna. Shayna will be doing a video for you on Monday. We hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Please stay connected. Keep the emails coming. Keep our ideas flowing. Let us know what you're thinking. Any ideas you might have that you'd like to see. I know Emily's been doing a lot of science, and Ivy's been giving you ideas about